For some, a period is just a few soaked pads, mild discomfort, and cravings that soon pass. But for others, it is a world of havoc. Paused dreams, missed days of school, mockery, and the constant fear of stains, and a cycle of poverty that never ends.
Period poverty has eaten deep into the society, and I think it should be treated like the way we treat chronic diseases.
Every month, millions of girls around the world are forced out of classrooms, not because they lack ambition, but because they lack paths. Period poverty turns a natural biological process into a barrier to education, exposing girls to ridicule, missed opportunities, and deepening inequality.
So in my 9 years of running community, I noticed 2 out of 10 girls will miss school because of period-related issues.
The silence and stigma around menstruation continues to shroud its many realities: PMS, PMDD, depressive episodes, and even the crisis of menstrual waste management, and yet solutions remain scarce. But how can we talk about innovation in period care when the leaders of tomorrow are still missing school or missing work simply because of their periods?
That's why we started the Pad Bank project to ensure that we can reduce period poverty-induced absenteeism in Nigeria, because honestly, it's just a period. It shouldn't be a death sentence. Everybody deserves dignity, everybody deserves care, everybody deserves access to dignity and good health.
In October 2022, a Pad for Her kicked off Project Pad Bank Nigeria and began its journey in just 6 schools. The mission was simple yet urgent: to keep girls in school by breaking the cycle of period poverty. 3 years later, that vision has expanded to 25 schools across Nigeria, powered by 3 core systems: advocacy, access, and awareness education.
I'm an health educator by profession, so we really appreciate the organization, the part for who have come around to educate and to sensitize our guests in the school.
Especially our students, most of them, they don't have money to afford to get this thing. You've done a great thing for them.
Through advocacy, we challenge stigma and push for policies that prioritize menstrual health.
A period-friendly world is also a world where employers recognize that Gen Zs are not asking for too much when it comes to periods. So I think period poverty is not only concerned with girls and women in underserved communities. I think period poverty affects everybody, regardless of age, social status, or whatever class it is that you fall into in the society.
Through access, we provide dignity packs and free resources like our handbook, Periods Made Easy, giving girls the tools they need to manage their periods with confidence. And through awareness education, we empower girls in underserved areas with no knowledge about their bodies, ensuring they no longer sit out of classrooms because of shame or lack of pads.
Someone really has to do the work, and it's why we're saying that menstrual health is a human right.
And together for a period-friendly world.
This work is driven by more than 50 passionate youth volunteers across Ibadan, Lagos, Osun, Ekiti, Ilorin, and Benin. Each one committed to building a future where no girl has to choose between her period and her education. But this is only the beginning. Period poverty still keeps too many girls out of school, silencing their dreams before they can take flight. You can be part of the change. By supporting a Pad for Her, you help deliver dignity packs, expand awareness education, and give the girls confidence to stay in school. Together, we can build a future where no girl misses class, misses opportunities, or misses her potential simply because of her period. And it all starts with being honest about periods and talking openly about it.
It's a period, not a war crime. Get with the program, it's not that serious.
Let's work together for a period-friendly world.